Have you ever noticed that most traders are looking for the next strategy, the next indicator, or the next secret setup? I used to think that way too. But the longer I've been around trading, the more I've realized that consistency beats everything. Not talent, not intelligence, not finding the perfect setup. Consistency. Because the truth is, most traders already know enough to be profitable. The problem is they don't consistently execute what they already know. They take good trades one day, then start chasing the market the next. They follow their rules until they have a losing streak. Then suddenly they're changing position size, forcing trades, or looking for a new strategy. And that's where progress gets reset. What finally started changing things for me was understanding that trading isn't about having your best day. It's about repeating good decisions over and over again. Anyone can have a great trading day. Anyone can get lucky. The challenge is showing up tomorrow and doing the same thing again. And then the next day. And the next day after that. That's why I believe consistency beats everything. A simple strategy executed consistently will outperform a great strategy executed emotionally. A trader who follows their plan consistently will usually outperform a trader who's constantly searching for something new. And a trader who focuses on improving 1% at a time will often go much further than someone looking for overnight success. The market doesn't reward excitement. It rewards discipline. So if you're struggling right now, maybe the answer isn't another strategy. Maybe it's becoming more consistent with the one you already have. Because in trading, consistency isn't the exciting answer, but it's usually the right one. What's one habit you're working on becoming more consistent with in your trading? Let me know in the comments. Remember, trading success rarely comes from finding the perfect setup. It usually comes from doing the simple things consistently over time. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content focused on discipline, consistency, and becoming a better trader. For trading journals, books, and additional resources, visit futurestradingonecontract.com. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you in the next one.